back. 10 to 7. Lights on because it's just coming light. But look, we might get a chance to get a lot more of that done today. Hopefully get it painted. But oh, hang on a minute. These locks have turned up. Bag full of goodies here. Sugar. There they are. Rubber gloves are painted. There they are. There's 4 in a packet. And what they are, they're very strong door locks for kitchen cupboard doors, but they're very heavy duty ones. That magnet is strong as anything, watch. Like that. So what you do, you put that plate on your door or wherever, and that on the other side. Then you should hold that door shut. I don't know whether I'll put 1 or 2 on. We'll try it because they're very strong. I don't want to breaking that glass smacking shut. So we'll have to work it out. But I have to build that door frame first. But same as I said, I'll get that done today, definitely. Henry's not even here yet, it's that early. So the kettle's on. Here's Henry now, I can hear him. I'm not gone bad there. It's only 20 to 9. Henry's just give us a lift before he went. I've got that doorway on here. It was handy with 2 hands, handier than 2. So what I've done, I've just put a light doorway around. On the inside, I've borrowed a few bits of wood off Tony. He's got loads there. Pallets were split up. I'll get some more back. But I want to use 5 pieces for around there. So I'll just put them round, connecting them to the bottom to them boards. Fix them too. And that doorway is solid. So now that doesn't move. That one. That used to twist before that was on. No, it doesn't. Plus, anyway, there you go. See, that's shutting on its own because I've got my magnets on there. But I think we need 3 on top, middle, and bottom, and they need fixing better than that. I need to go through there with a screw, put a proper piece of wood on there, and I'll put 1 top, middle, and bottom. But they do work. Just put this plate on there, and there you go. So once we get 1 top, middle, and bottom, that should be bob on. So that's another job done. We'll gander front back. Yeah, there you go. So all I've done, I've fixed it to the scaffold board. And fixed it through that side to the scaffold board, so just give that a lick of paint when I do the rest. Henry's been on with cleaning it. He started. So he's got to get that done this week while I'm at work, because I'm back at work tonight. But if he can get that done this week, I'll be belting. Well, I'll put these 2 nuts in here in a minute too. Yeah, if he can get that done this week, and then I get a couple of good days next week and get it painted and get it glazed back up and sorted out inside, then that looks okay, that, doesn't it? A little knock up job, half an hour. It was worrying me, that frame moving when glass gets in, but I'm happier now. It's okay, that. Nice and steady. I'm happy with them thingies too. Another 2 on there. Belting. Need an handle on here now. Yeah. Belting. Get better all the time. Right, brew time. There's John just got off. He's a new one from up top. Well, he's a new one, but he's an old one. He had a plot before. Right, I've got one there, top, middle and bottom. Michael Barrymore. Come on down. Over back. So now, top, middle. There's one at bottom at outside. That middle one, I'm going to put further up here because it's not. I'm not happy with that one there. See what I mean? What I've done, I've put that piece of wood up back, so that goes solid on there. So I'm going to do the same with this one. In fact, I'm going to do that now. There you go. I've redone that. Top, middle, and bottom. I've stepped that out a bit more. And, there you go. Top, middle, bottom. Bang. Nice and tight that. Could stand any wind, but what I'll do anyway when it's done, I'll put a catch through there. Also need, because that door slips inside the other, there's a gap there, can you see? So I'll need some kind of rubber seal on the door after, so I'll sort that out. I'm just closing and stopping shut anyway. So that's okay, isn't it? Bit nearer. And I'll get that blue. Thumbs up there, hammering and banging and sawing. Right, so that's it then. That's all I can do now until paint it frame. Doorway's done, door's done. Now Henry's going to get this frame done this week. So she'll be nice and clean next week, ready for painting. Yeah. And then a day for painting it, a day for it dry, and then glaze it day after, so 3 days next week. We've got 3 good days like this, not that, like that. I'll be happy and laughing. There's engine bracket. See them I'm leaning on my wall there. 2 old Scouse ladies, they lean there every morning at the same time. They talk about the same thing as well, every morning. There you go. Anyway, let's get that brew. There's my last brew. It's 11:15. I'm back at work tonight, so. But I couldn't resist having a trial of that green paint. So I've cleaned this corner up, give it a good scrub and give it a couple of coats. Looks good, doesn't it? Nice finish. Belting, just started raining. There you go anyway. I just wanted to try it, see how it looks. Yeah, that painted brown now. Belting. So next week, should all be that colour. I think glass can go in. See you later.